So the guys have come to do my island. So it's a mess right now and we are all upstairs. So I just wanted to show what's going on in the kitchen. Finally they came today. I'm happy. So yeah. So this guy is actually from Ukraine, and the minute I knew, I asked about his family and he told me that they were able to fled to Lebanon in time. So I was very happy to hear that. So finally the guys have gone. It's like 5:36 p.m. They have made a mess. I have to clean everything, and as you can see, this is working. I replaced it with a fire. You see? It's working. I just need to fix things. Everything is dirty on the floor, and my island is done. Look at this, but this they are going to change in white. So at the moment it's not working, but they just placed it here. So my island looks like this, guys, something like this. It's not a big kitchen, it's open kitchen with a living, and the dining table is there. We have to just fix it here. So I like it. Yeah, everything is dirty now. We are gonna clean it and, you know, wash the floors. Tashi Delek, welcome back to my channel. It's me today, and I hope you all are doing well. So let me show you my kitchen. So the guys came yesterday. Finally they came yesterday, and they fixed my the island. And so I just wanted to show you. We did all the cleaning yesterday, so I just wanted to show you how my kitchen looks now. Everything is not done yet, but slowly things are happening, so I will keep you updated. So for now I'll just show my kitchen. So are you guys ready? I'm so happy. Ani, today is actually Guthuk day, so I almost forgot. Somebody sent me happy Guthuk and I was thinking, you know, like I thought it's tomorrow. So my husband said, yeah, it's today. So he has work, but I told him come in the early evening, like afternoon, late afternoon. So we'll have early Guthuk. So hopefully we'll see if I can do a family Guthuk. And yeah, my mom is gone to India, so I told you everybody's gone to India, so yeah, I'm left out here. So anyway, I'll just show you my kitchen. This is the kitchen here. I'm just showing you in a wide angle. It's not that big. It looks big on the camera. I'm just showing you wide angle. So this is it. I still have to make here cupboards, so that will happen in I don't know when. So this is here. I have my gas, which I always wanted. So this is for, you know, heavy cooking, and I want to try to make pulkas. You know, I have seen in videos people make so on the fire the the pulkas. I want to try, so that's what I wanted, a fire. And in future this will be also covered, hopefully. I don't know when. I have just kept my these things here. There is neat and clean. This will still be changed to the marble, the stone. This is not stone. And for the moment it is like this, little bit messy, but I've tried. I don't have so much cabinets, that's why I put my glasses here, for it's easy to, you know, take coffee and everything. I need to change my coffee machine. It's broken when we came here, but we are still able to use it, so I'm using for the moment. And as you know, my dining table, that's the living, nice and clean. And my island is here, as you can see. It's nice. It's okay, it's nice. I have to get used to it. So this is nice and clean. This will be changed to white. I don't know, maybe or maybe not. For me, it doesn't matter. But the guy said if you put white, it would be much more beautiful or something. So I said, I don't mind having this also. So let's see if he gets white one, then we'll replace it with white one. Otherwise, this is also fine. But right now, it is not working. He has just placed it on top. He has to fix one from inside. I just placed here a nice fake plant. It looks nice just for the look, just for the vibe, you know. So yeah. So this is the kitchen that I have done. So I'm happy. We have so many things to fix, but at the moment this is the look. So yeah, I'm happy. Let me check my shakampu. It's still drying. I ate most of here. It's almost finished. And I dried here few with red chilies, with black pepper and red chilies, and the rest here are normal ones, you know. This is almost like 4 days. This is now 6 days or something, and this is also now 2 days, 3 days, I think, something like that. So yeah, this much I have. So I'm just gonna do my skin routine, just skin prep. Losar is here, so I'm just gonna do my skin prep. As you can see, I have a pimple. Normally I don't get pimple, but last few days I had something here, so I hope it goes away soon. And as you can see, my skin is like a combination skin. I have few red spots overall, so, and I have a big birthmark right in my face. So today I'm gonna use my Sand and Sky from Australian brand. I had for a few months now. And also the this is the scrub and this is the mask. I'm gonna use it. First, I'm just gonna wash my face with this scrub. That's from Silk In. That's from Silk In. So you have to just press in here, and then it vibrates, like, you know, it vibrates. So I'm gonna use that one. First, I take a good amount of soap in my hand and lather them. I make a foam on my face, and then I use this one and just see at my face, okay? So the face is nice and clean. Now I'm gonna use the scrub, Australian pink clay argyle rose. So I'm gonna use that one. Like this amount should be enough. Gonna wet my face again. I use this at least once a week or twice a week. But if you buy this, it's written behind what kind of skin you have and how many times you have to do it. So I do at least once a week. I just wanted to try this product. I wanted to buy this for a very long time, since I saw this on Instagram. So this time I bought it. I bought it a few months ago, and I like it. So I have to scrub this for at least like 5 minutes, I think, and scrub 1 or 2 minutes, and then let it stay on your face for at least 2 to 3 minutes extra. So in total it's like 5 minutes process. I'm gonna apply the mask, which it comes with a brush. My god, the brush I have used, see, a good amount. You don't have to use too much, it says. So yeah. It's drying. It's almost gonna be 5 minutes, and I will see you guys later. So it has been completely dried, as you can see. I can't even move my mouth, so I just dabbed. I just dab it, and then I remove it. Done. So I thought today I will unbox my Dyson Airwrap complete. So because I'm gonna use on the day of Losar, so I thought today I will just unbox it. I'm not gonna use it today. In some other video I will show you how I will use this one, but I just want to unbox it today. So excited. It's been a long due, and I thought I will unbox it, but I didn't get time. Let's unbox it. Ooh. I will show it from here, okay? Let's unbox it. The moment of truth. Oh my god. Oh my god. Such an elegant box. Look at this. The color, the navy blue color. Oh my god. Okay. There's some guide, I think, how to use it. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh my god. I can't wait to use this. So that's why I thought today I will unbox it. Oh my god. Wait, I'll remove one by one. Something like this. It comes with a cord. Oh my god, see? And then this one to dry your hair, and the hair bristles, and the 3 and 4 sets of curling hair bond. There are 4 kinds of it, and let me just take it out. So let me show. This is the one. Oh my god. I just love the color. Look at the color. Oh my god. Navy blue and copper color. So amazing. Oh my god. And this is something to dry your hair. And then, as I showed you, this is the bristles. 4 kinds of different sizes of wand to curl your hair. And there's a guideline how to use it. And then, yes, the hairbrush. I don't know, there are 2 kinds of hairbrush, which I think which I don't think I need that much of hairbrush. And here is another small package. Let me see. Oh, okay. So this is an extra pouch. If you're traveling, you can put your stuff in here. If you're traveling, you can take it with you. So this is new in this package, in this color. The pink one, you don't get it. The pink Dyson, you don't get this one. And I think you have less of this one. That's what the lady told me. So this is nice. Like if you're traveling, you can take this with you. Like this. And you can take your dryer, your wands, and put it in your baggage. Yes. Oh my god, this is so amazing. This is so amazing. Yep, that's it for the unboxing today. I can't wait to use. In my Losar vlog, you will see my hair. If I'm able to do it, then I will tell you if I did or not. You will see my hair, how I have done it. And then I will make another video of how I style with this one. So yeah, unboxing done. I'm excited to use this one. Normally my hair is not that thick. I think this package is good for somebody who have long hair, thick hair, you know, like in a volume. But for thin hair is also okay, but I have very thin hair. But I invested in a good product because obviously I have a daughter. Someday she will also want to use it. So that's why I invested in this one. So I can use it and later on she can use it. So obviously this is very expensive. So I don't recommend you to buy. You can buy reasonable prices. There are so many things on the market. So, but yeah, I liked this one. I wanted to try this one. So that's it for the unboxing. And I will see you tonight with my Guthuk. It's almost 3 p.m. and I asked my husband to come home so that we can have Guthuk together because he has to work, and normally he said he would stay back, but someone has took off from the work today, so he has to be there. So from 3 to 5 it's a break, afternoon break. So I said I'll make Guthuk earlier today so that we can have as a family together. So hopefully he comes. He said yes, but I don't know if it's gonna come. So now I'm just preparing simple Guthuk tuppa, and I have some dough made. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the meat to, you know, open up, and then I will slice it and then let it cook on simmers on low heat. So by the way, I'm using my new stove gas with a fire. So it's quite easy actually. Normally I'm used to that electric one, but now this is also okay. This is one. So once the tuppa is ready, I'll see you guys later. My tuppa is almost done. My tuppa is done. It's looking delicious.
Okay, let's see who's the winner.
Yeah,
I got one.
I'm the star of the show.
I'm the star of the show. What's Papa star Resha. Yeah. Papa star Resha. I don't have two. Papa star. Okay, then you have one. The opens the window.
What did?
Okay.
Open the
Papa, hold. Okay, let's go to get low. I can't see it. Look,
chili, I think.
Okay.
Hardworking. Oh,
hardworking.
Okay, hardworking.
Did I hear that right?
Aha.
In the future.
Did I?
In the future.
In the
hardworking.
future.
Yeah, what a salt nation.
I think I got Nima.
I what salt lana did it. Salt manage to marakala.
You're salty.
I'm cotton. Cotton.
Cotton jigo mara.
Cotton de under
slow and steady.
They might.
Kalana solve
Simple
nani
simple.
yomara baat yomara na mena baat yomara la wara
I did do all
shibat karunda hard working the relation
I think this sun.
beautiful
I'm beautiful.
With Nima?
Nima is that kind of hard Mundgod is beautiful and hard working. High five. Aja is cotton.
Simple.
That makes
Pure heart.
that makes sense because I'm really beautiful right now.
Okay, that's all.
Nope, that's all.
Happy Guthuk everyone. Happy Guthuk everyone. Some of Guthuk la test dile to.
Just
Good.
Some of Losar test dile in advance. Some of Losar test dile. Huge and toes and Shuranam. So we are done with our Guthuk dinner. My husband has gone back to work. Kids are upstairs. I have to bathe them. So yeah. I hope you all had a wonderful Guthuk night with your family and friends. And I will see you in my next vlog. Thanks for watching my vlog. And I just wanted to say, please keep Ukraine in your prayers. And they are going through such a devastating time. I mean, I have seen so many videos. I can't imagine what they are going through. So please keep them in your prayers. And Chompel happy Losar in advance. Ani kiuchun shurunang, touchun shurunang, ani Chompel